All right, guys, what up? Welcome in. We are ready to roll in our third eBay break of the night. This is Obsidian basketball. 4 boxes. The first 4 from a brand new case for you guys tonight. Coming up after that will be our first look at Chronicles draft picks. You guys, many of y'all know this already, but we are Bomber Sports Cards eBay. We are bomberbreaks.com. That's our website there. If you go to bomberbreaks.com. Thank you, Joe. I feel pretty good about it, man. We got 13 in the random team you're talking about, right? Obsidian basketball. So, yeah, hey, if not, we can always do it tomorrow. I'm really excited to see some Chronicles. I've got some West Virginia Mountaineer basketball guys in there. So, anyway, after the eBay breaks, I've got 2 more to do. Then we'll step into these 3. I got 3 breaks on the docket for tonight. If it don't go tonight, though, we can do it tomorrow. All right, so anyway, guys, there's the website there. And I would say hello, guys, but I am saying hello. I need a haircut and I need a real job. What's up, guys? It's been a big day, man. Been bringing the boom, guys, since 1 o'clock. Thank you, guys, man. We've been rolling. Been on air at least most of the day. We'll be on again tomorrow, man. Already we'll be doing some breaks. So if you guys are new, my name's Chris. We're Northeast Ohio. My uncle's nickname was Bomber. That's a big reason. We got a softball nickname that we go by, Bomber Breaks, and we've been busting packs of cards, boxes of cards since 2013. We sure can't do without you. So thank you very, very much for joining in. Good luck to everybody. My screen has been, this is the weirdest thing ever. So there it is. I have a blank screen. It's been flickering. I think what I need to do is disconnect. You know what? I'm going to do it right now. I'm going to disconnect the other computer that's connected to it. Maybe that's something to do with it. I don't know. Maybe it's trying to go back and forth. No, that didn't fix it. We give it some love taps. Sometimes I don't know what to do. Anyway, I kind of know where the camera goes, so hopefully that does it. All right, so anyway, I got 2 6-sided die. We're going to add them together. I got 12 boxes here, so 1 through 6, 7 through 12. I rolled a 4, so I'm going to take the 4th one down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Man, if they don't come back, I'm in big trouble. I can't read your all's names. So 5 and 1 is 6. So 5 here, 6 is going to be this top box there. I'm going to try it again. We're at the other location tonight, so 8. Better go back to the 7, 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. And I need 1 more, so let's hopefully hit something a low number. That'll work. 4 and 1, so 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bottom box here, so cool. 2 from each side. All right, so set these aside. They're going to be for another break. Oh my gosh, come on, man. It's totally not working at all right now. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Anybody else have any problems? I think the computer had a recent update. Get the little tiny monitor over here. All right. So right now I would be reading off your names and your teams, guys. I'm sorry, I don't have that. I do have that on my phone. Google Sheets. Beautiful Google Sheets. Russ or Kevin, just please text me if the software is acting up. I don't think it is. I think everything's okay as far as that goes. But monitor's been out now for like 2 minutes straight. It's not nice. Not nice at all. Something weird is happening. All right. Come on, man. Everything's plugged in just the way it always has been. Okay, guys. Guys, in this break, good luck and welcome to Kevin M with the Hawks and the Raptors. I got Brandon R with the Celtics and the Lakers. TRYT26 with the Nets. Vinny T in the house with the Hornets, T-Wolves, and the Knicks. Bruce C with the Bulls. Zach D with the Cavaliers. Drink, shop, and beers in the house of the Mavericks. Anthony P with the Nuggets. Vita _ Bria, B-R-I-A there with the Pistons and the Thunder. Anton Enriquez, maybe it is, 97. Hey, man, welcome. I got Warriors for you, Anton. Or Antonio, maybe it is. Ross 0411 with the Rockets. There it just came back and it's all oh my gosh, it's all jumbled up. Alright, second screen only. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, there we go. Now I can read a little bit better. So, Ross, I had you with the Rockets. I've got I. James KS with the Pacers. Tony C. Clippers. JTAGA _53 with the Grizz. Ruben V with the Heat. Fred LS 2002 with the Bucks. KD _7278 with the Pellies. Brant U with the Magic. Christian A with the Sixers. Wheels and Deals today with the Suns. Devin Bond with the Trailblazers. Michael Pat with the Kings. Nathan with the Spurs. Joe Bob Jazz. And Zach with the Wizards. That's our 4-box group tonight. Thank you all much. Good luck. Now I can see the chat now. Oh my gosh, it just went out again. I can't do this. I'm going to lose my stuff. All right, so guys, apologies. If the camera goes out, I'm pretty good at figuring out where the cards are supposed to be on camera. So, and I got my secondary sheet, so we'll be all right. EJ, awesome, man. I love it. That was earlier, right? The Leaf football, Leaf signature. All right, good luck, everybody. May the boom be with you all. All right, so 2 numbered die cuts are on the back. Anthony Davis, Eclipse. 36 of 75 for the Los Angeles Lakers. Brandon, there you go. Cool. And for the Wizards, Zach, it's a Westbrook. And it's a purple. 33 of 99. 33 of 99. All right, and some base. All these cards will be top-loaded, guys. Sleeved and top-loaded for you. Kevin Porter Jr. Fred VanVleet, the Raptors. And Brandon Ingram for the Pellies. All right, autograph jersey. Rookie Skylar Mays for Kevin's Atlanta Hawks. Kevin, congrats. M5 card. Skylar Mays. 95 of 99. $95 of 99. And the other one is going to the Oklahoma City Thunder. Thunder. Vita Bria there with the dual mem autograph. 93 of 99. 93 of 99 on that one. That's pretty cool. 2 patch. Oh, I thought that was a heavy pack, Doc. All right. So pitch. Damian Lillard. Damian Lillard. These are so cool. 95 of 99. So, that's Devin there. 95 of 99. Kawhi Leonard for the Clips. 12 of 25 on the Kawhi. of 25. Chris Middleton. Moses Brown. Rookie for the Thunder, yep. And, all right, nice. The base card of LeBron James. Lakers, branded. All right, and a volcanic autograph for the Timberwolves, Sam Cassell. 93 of 99 on the Cassell. Tyler with Minnesota there. And for Dallas, Association, private signings, signature. That is for Dallas, the Mavericks. Drink Shoppy Bears. Congrats, man. Tyrell Terry. Tyrell Terry autograph. All right, one auto relic coming up. 2 serial numbers. 1 Lauri Markkanen. The Bulls. 2 of 50. 2 of 50 on the Markkanen. And a Maxi Kleber. Dallas. 66 of 99. Bojan Bogdanovic. Utah Jazz. Domantas Sabonis. Guys, I'm doing my best to, like, my screen is just off and on all the time at this moment, so I just hoping you guys can see everything. I'm trying to make sure. All right, so there's a Heat. Somebody said a Heat card, Ruben. All right, Jarrett Culver. Timberwolves, you get another autograph. The Ant-Man will be better, but a Culver, 85 out of 149. Be alright. And for the Pelicans, a Steven Adams autographed jersey. Nollins. KD. Matrix auto, serial number on the back, 2 of 35. 2 of 35. Oh, there we go. Oh, man, Steve, something I can't even think about over the air. As far as the Fanatics deal, there's so much unknown. I mean, it's so unknown. But I gotta believe that they're gonna figure out a way to make it good for everybody. I mean, it's in the end. I hope that the brands that we all know and love and hold so dear, our hearts are not gone. I don't know how it'll shake out, but lots of theories out there, that's for sure. All right, Pitch Black, Obsidian, 5 of 10. Karl Anthony Towns. Tyler all over the T-Wolves, but we're the one guy. Theo Maledon. Nice parallel, 32 of 99. All right, base. Miss Kenter. Ben Simmons. And Lonnie Walker. All right, and a Gary Harris Galaxy. Galaxy Signatures. Orlando is on this one. The Magic for Brent. Got a number on that. 18 out of 25. Forrest! Holy cow! Hey, when am I going to be hitting this? I got to start pulling some Scotty Efros autos. Right, Forrest? The Pellies. I'll tell Coach Jim you said, hey, I just saw him yesterday at the over at Premier down in Valley City, man. That baseball facility down there is amazing. They've really grown it. Xavier Tillman, our last one, the Memphis Grizz, 85 out of 99. The Grizz. J. Taga. J-T-A-G-A. Congrats, man, on the Tillman. All right, so that's the 4 boxes. Forrest, are you a card nut now? Come on. What's up, man? All right, so Walker, Simmons, Cantor, Butler, Sabonis, Bogdanovich, Brown, Middleton, Ingram, Van Vliet, and Porter. And we have the Harris auto, Melodone. These are all serial numbered autos. The Towns, the 10, the Culver auto, Kleber, Marketing, Tyrell Terry. Cassell, LeBron base. Leonard's numbered out of 25. Dame, Westbrook, and Anthony Davis. And we landed, so 1 per box on average of the auto mems. Tillman, Adams, Maladon, and May. So 3 rookie auto mems. All right, guys. Thank you very, very much. Congrats. And hey, if you did not get a card, you will get a mail day, guys. You'll still get something. We always send out a fun bonus pack of some kind if you don't hit a card. So I got a feeling there's some teams in there that didn't get a card. I'm pretty sure, actually. Yeah, confident that happened. So we'll study something, guys. Hope it's fun. And thank you for the opportunity tonight. Hope you guys will join in again. Tomorrow we'll do another 4. And Artie will be along for you guys tomorrow. If you're taking off, keeping the fairway, guys, again, bomberbreaks.com. We still have some Obsidian and the Chronicles draft picks open. So jump in on our website there if you'd like to get in. That's cool. Otherwise, we'll see you again next time. And keeping the fairway, as my uncle would say, as they say, that's all right.